We do have this cluster that just started rolling through from eastern Ohio. Velocity radar here, a little bit of rotation being picked up. We currently do not have any tornado watches or warnings, but on the velocity radar here, you see those yellow boxes. That would be a severe thunderstorm warning. Flooded roadways across the region, especially in Taylor and Harrison County. You really want to avoid driving for tonight, because if you don't run into flooded waters, you could run into down power lines and down trees. This is history in the making. This is a very, very strong storm to be taken seriously. There were talks between whether it's going to land as a Category 5 or a Category 4, but at this point, that's just splitting hairs. Like I said, not deja vu here. It's just a very similar system. Hurricane Delta wants to make landfall as a Category 3, Category 2 around the same exact area, an area that has been bruised 6 weeks ago with Lars. See that smoke billowing out there? Does it have an impact on our area? Well, yes. You can see a haze out in the sky. You probably started to notice it this past Friday. It's a gray look outside, kind of milky. That's all that smoke. It's not cloud cover. If we didn't have the smoke for today, we would actually have a beautiful sunny day. We don't have any moisture in the region.
Nice football night.
It's certainly going to have that football feel, Josh. As soon as we go out, everybody's going to need their jackets for tonight. You know, I'm telling everybody, gather your jackets, gather your pink pins, your scarves, and head out, because it's the first night where it's really going to have that cold, crisp feel to the air. And some of you have been capturing that fall gold, the leaves changing colors. We are in peak season for areas like Brewston Mills, where Leo captured this photo behind me.
You like this background here?
I do. I love it. We are in peak season for some of our counties, and with these cold temperatures that are on the way for the rest of the week, some of those fall leaves may start changing a little bit more rapidly.
And now, First Alert Weather with Colleen Campbell.
Another beautiful day here in West Virginia, and it makes it easier to get over that midweek hump when we have weather like today. Now, it has been a little bit windy, and that's because our expected cold front passing on by. The parent low is centered over New England, and that's bringing some stormy weather to that region, but we're missing out on all of that. We didn't expect the rain. It didn't deliver into our area, so we're all good. We just have some wind to deal with. Most of the rain is northern Pennsylvania, north of Pittsburgh. So again, none of this is sinking down into our region. The next chance for rain would be overnight. We may have a little sprinkle, but that's really all I'm expecting from this system. You can see it's continuing to exit there from the northeast. So closer view here of our state, nice and dry across the area right now. Not a drop of rain out there. A few clouds as that cold front has started to approach the area, but it's really the winds that we're feeling for today. The sustained speed still in the double digits. We did have wind speeds in the teens earlier today. Some of those marks are still hanging on out there. Elkins, they have sustained speeds around 13 miles per hour right now, but these winds are starting to weaken, so they will calm down in the next hour or so, so that's something to look forward to. Now, I did want to bring up a good point that somebody mentioned to me, the burn ban. We talked about this about 5-6 days ago for the start of October. That's when it was initiated, but with winds like today, you absolutely do not want to burn, because of course the fire can spread pretty easily when you have a gusty day like we had for this afternoon and for this evening. So please, if you are planning a fire for tonight, just avoid it. It's not a great night for it. Plus, it has been dry plus the winds doesn't equal a good combo when it comes to wildfire safety. Temperatures right now, we are in the low 70s across the east. Parsons, Elkins, Webster Springs, Kingwood at a solid 70 right now. We do have some middle marks all along I-79. You can see west of that, they are a hair warmer, so it is a warm evening out there. But as we go into tonight, our overnight low will be pretty seasonable. Usually we're in the mid-40s for overnight temperatures, and that's how we will feel for tonight. Clear skies, however, if you are east of I-79, you will see a little bit of cloud cover, and a sprinkle will be possible thanks to that system moving through currently. Hour by hour model here, 8 o'clock, that's when those winds start to diminish a bit. Into the midnight hour, clouds begin forming in that higher terrain. That rolls into tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, if you're around Randolph County, Barber County, Taylor, Preston, you may wake up with a little bit of wind and some cloud cover out there, but an isolated shower, that's all we're expecting. That will all clear out into the afternoon. Nice amount of sunshine on the way, and then we're looking good to Friday. So for this weekend, we are keeping our eye on the tropics once again. We have Hurricane Delta that, by the way, made landfall early this morning around 5:30 a.m. on the Yucatan Peninsula. It did start to weaken once it moved off land there, but what's going to happen here is it's going to continue gaining strength. It's going to re-strengthen in the Gulf of Mexico in that warm water. And then eventually it will make landfall again by Louisiana. What we're going to get out of it down the line would be some rain come this weekend. So the next couple days will be dry, the cloud cover will increase, and then the skies will open up around Saturday night into Sunday. A few showers Monday as well.